up, YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie coming at you with another moto vlog. This one's going to be a short one once again, but just to give you guys some info on what's going on here. Last weekend, if you guys watched the videos, was my safety course, and unfortunately they did not approve me for a license. My riding style is different from that of many other people, including the instructors, and they wanted everybody to have an open mind, so I respected that. And the things that they were teaching us to do, I could already do myself. The problem is I had my own techniques already developed for those different things. I did improve my skill on evasive maneuvering, which is good, but ultimately the way that they wanted some of the things done, I could not perform them. So that being said, I did not pass. So I am scheduled for September 24th to take the skills test at the DMV in Malvern. In the meantime, however, next weekend I will not be posting a video. The reason being, by this time next week I will be on my way back from Florida. I ship out Thursday. It'll be my first time flying. Fly down to Florida with a friend of mine who's also a co-worker to help him move the rest of his stuff back up. And then we're going to drive all the stuff back up in a rental truck. I'm going to try to see if I can make the whole trip in one shot, just to see if I can do it. So today I am with ThatRedWJ once again, and we are heading up to the shop or the garage of another friend of ours, Mr. Jamie. He was actually sponsored in ThatRedWJ's video that he posted. I believe he posted it Saturday. I'll throw a link to that down in the description. And we're going to go visit him, see how he's doing, and just get out a little bit, get on the bike, get riding a little bit, and enjoy this nice, beautiful day. So enjoy. Whoa! That was grass in the road. So one thing that I'd like to start doing for you guys, everybody that's viewing, is start doing giveaways. Just, you know, like maybe once a month or so, have a little giveaway, you know, to a random subscriber. You know, just as a thanks for subscribing and supporting the channel and all its content. I'll definitely probably get back to you after the Florida trip regarding my stance on that and the giveaways and all that. I like that sticker, lifted minivan. Howdy, howdy. Man, nobody's waving today. Heck's up with that stuff. Howdy, howdy. See, I spoke too soon. They waved. Woohoo! There is a covered bridge back over there a little ways. It's been a little while since I've been to it, but legend has it there was I don't want to get too graphic and you know, like ruin anything or anything like that, but like I said, legend has it that there was a little girl that ended up being murdered, and she was hung from the bridge, but I believe she was the victim of molestation, and in that process they found out who killed her and who did this, who did that, and they ended up hanging the 2 or 3 male individuals that were accused of doing such activities. And legend has it, if you pull into the bridge and you sit in the bridge and you turn your car off, you turn off all your lights, you can see the figures of the bodies hanging from the rafters of the bridge. And although I have never personally seen that, I have spent plenty of time in that bridge from the hours of 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. And I gotta say, although I've never seen figures hanging from the rafters, Howdy, howdy. I have indeed seen fingerprints and handprints pop up on foggy windows while sitting in that bridge. Handprints that could not be altered from the inside. Yeah. So, obviously that's a little sketchy. And one of my friends that was with me at one of the times claimed that when I turned on the headlights, howdy, he saw a figure, a shadowy figure, zoom from like the middle of the bridge off the side of the bridge and disappear. How true that is, I don't know, because I wasn't really looking when I turned the headlights on. But like I said, from what I have experienced and what I've heard, I do believe it is a haunted bridge. And I'll have to get the Google Maps pinpoint address of that just so some of you guys can come up and see it. Oh snap! That's right, the new traffic circle. I've seen a lot of criticism on online on Facebook and whatnot about this new traffic circle. And to be completely honest, I don't know why people are being so criticism about it. If that's a word, I think that's a word. I don't even freaking know, dude. Anyway, like I said, I don't understand why people have such a big problem with it, because this traffic circle has now prevented a lot of serious accidents that could have happened in the future, just as history had repeated itself prior. Howdy, howdy. So I've yet to be to this garage that our buddy rented out for personal use, and I believe he's had it for quite a few years now. I think he had it for like 2 years now. I may be wrong, but pretty sure. Howdy, 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 howdy. I'm sure he'll correct me if I'm wrong. That is, if he's subscribed. Jamie, you better subscribe. Hey, how are ya? Hey, how are ya? Hey, how are ya? 'Cause I'm free as a bird now. Howdy, howdy. Welcome to the borough of Fleetwood. Raymore and Flanagan. Nice bar job. Howdy, howdy. That's a pretty nice rust hole he's got in the back of that door. Hi, buddy.
Are you afraid of Jeeps?
No,
Are you afraid of riding bitch?
No, he wanted to do video and I wanted to drive my Jeep.
See ya. Well, we had a little bit of fun, talked a little bit of shit, ate a little bit of food. Now I'm heading back home. ThatRedWJ is following me. I got some work to handle. Yay. But at least I got out. Like I said, it's a nice day today. It feels really good. So it's definitely worth it. Besides, I had to let you guys know what's going on, and I had to put up a video since I won't be doing one next weekend. What I would give to have enough money to not have to work, so I could ride all week and do videos, just have fun. The American dream. Howdy, howdy. Don't care if it's 3 wheels, it still counts. Howdy, howdy. I think for my next ride, I'm going to take a trip somewhere and go do some fishing. gone fishing. The Pennsylvania State Reptile. Tar snakes. Oh, there's roadkill. I'm holding my foot out to let him know there's roadkill, and he's not even on a bike. And this asshole, he's got grass out in the middle of the freaking road. Ugh. Oh, I lost that red WJ. I was too fast for him. Well, that pretty much sums up today's adventure. I have to swing by the post office and check my mail, because I don't think I've checked my mail in the past like 2 months, 3 months, something like that. So like I said, that pretty much wraps up today's video. It was just a quick one, just to let you guys know what's going on, you know, and not to expect a video for next week and this and that. So if you liked what you saw, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment if you want, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button so you are notified when my next video comes out.